the world of cryptocurrency is abuzz with a new name, PiNetwork. This innovative project has quickly become a hot topic among crypto enthusiasts and novices alike. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require powerful hardware and significant energy consumption, PiNetwork offers a more inclusive approach. It allows anyone with a smartphone to participate in the mining process, making it accessible to a broader audience. This novel project has captured the attention of millions with its promise of accessible mobile mining. The idea is simple yet revolutionary. Users can mine Pi coins directly from their mobile devices without draining their battery or data. This ease of use has led to a rapid increase in the number of users, creating a vibrant and growing community. PiNetwork aims to democratize the often exclusive world of cryptocurrency. By lowering the barriers to entry, it provides an opportunity for people from all walks of life to engage with and benefit from the crypto economy. This inclusivity is a significant departure from the traditional model, where mining is often dominated by those with access to specialized equipment and cheap electricity. It allows users to mine PiCoin using just their smartphones. The process is straightforward. Users simply download the PiNetwork app, create an account, and start mining with a single tap. The app runs in the background, allowing users to go about their daily activities while earning Pi coins. This user-friendly approach has made PiNetwork particularly popular among younger generations who are always on the go. The excitement surrounding PiNetwork reached new heights recently. As more people join the network, the community grows stronger and the potential value of Pi coins increases. This has led to a surge in interest and speculation about the future of PiNetwork. Many users are optimistic about the project's potential to disrupt the current financial system and create new opportunities for wealth generation. Speculation about its potential value exploded. Some enthusiasts believe that Pi coins could become highly valuable in the future, drawing comparisons to the early days of Bitcoin. This speculation has fueled a sense of urgency among new users to join the network and start mining as soon as possible. However, it's important to note that the actual value of Pi coins will depend on various factors, including market demand and the successful implementation of the project's roadmap. Some even predict that Pi could reach an astronomical $314,159 per coin. While this figure may seem far-fetched, it highlights the immense potential that some see in PiNetwork. The project's unique approach to mining and its rapidly growing user base have created a buzz that is hard to ignore. Whether or not these lofty predictions come true, the excitement and anticipation surrounding PiNetwork are undeniable. While this claim remains highly debated, it underscores the growing anticipation surrounding PiNetwork and its potential impact on the future of finance. As the project continues to develop and more people join the network, it will be interesting to see how PiNetwork evolves and what role it will play in the broader cryptocurrency landscape. For now, one thing is clear. PiNetwork has captured the imagination of many and is poised to make a significant impact in the world of digital currency.
PiNetwork distinguishes itself from established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin in a crucial way. It champions accessibility. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires specialized and often expensive hardware to mine, PiNetwork can be accessed by anyone with a smartphone. This makes it incredibly user-friendly and opens up the world of cryptocurrency to a much broader audience. Traditional cryptocurrency mining requires significant technical expertise and expensive hardware. The process involves solving complex mathematical problems, which necessitates powerful computers and a deep understanding of blockchain technology. This has made it difficult for the average person to get involved in cryptocurrency mining. In contrast, PiNetwork allows anyone with a smartphone to participate. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, requiring no prior knowledge of cryptocurrency or mining. Users can simply download the app, create an account, and start mining Pi coins with just a few taps on their screen. The PiNetwork app uses a simple referral system to build a network of users. This system encourages users to invite their friends and family to join, creating a community of miners who support each other. The more people you invite, the more Pi coins you can earn, making it a social and collaborative experience. It rewards them for their participation in the mining process. Every time a user logs into the app and mines Pi coins, they contribute to the security and growth of the network. In return, They receive Pi coins as a reward, which can be used within the Pi ecosystem or traded for other cryptocurrencies in the future. This approach has resonated with a global audience eager to enter the world of cryptocurrency without the barriers to entry. By making cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyone, PiNetwork is democratizing the world of digital currency and creating opportunities for people from all walks of life to participate in this exciting new frontier.
The astronomical valuation of $314,159 per Pi coin has become a point of contention and fascination. This prediction stems from a complex interplay of factors. These factors include the total supply of Pi, the rate of adoption, and future demand. Proponents of this valuation argue that PiNetwork's massive user base, coupled with its potential for real-world adoption, could drive the price to unprecedented levels.
The world of cryptocurrency is notorious for its volatility. Prices can fluctuate wildly, making it challenging for businesses and individuals to adopt cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions. This is where stablecoins enter the picture. Stablecoins offer a solution to the volatility problem. They peg their value to a stable asset such as the US dollar or gold, providing a predictable and reliable medium of exchange.
Section 5, Stellar, a constellation for stable transactions. The Stellar network has emerged as a leading platform for issuing and trading stablecoins. Known for its speed, scalability, and low transaction fees, Stellar provides an ideal infrastructure for facilitating the seamless flow of stable digital assets. Stellar's focus on financial inclusion aligns perfectly with the goals of stablecoins, making it a natural fit for supporting the growth of a more stable and accessible digital economy.
Section 6. Bridging the gap Pi, stablecoins, and real-world use. The potential synergy between PiNetwork and stablecoins is undeniable. Imagine a future where Pi, with its vast user base, becomes integrated with stablecoin platforms like Stellar. This integration could unlock a world of possibilities. Pi users could seamlessly convert their Pi holdings into stablecoins, enabling them to make everyday purchases, send remittances, and participate in the global economy with ease and confidence.
Section 7. The regulatory horizon. Navigating the legal landscape. The rapid rise of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins has not gone unnoticed by regulators worldwide. Governments and financial institutions are grappling with how to regulate this emerging asset class, seeking to balance innovation with consumer protection and financial stability. The future success of PiNetwork and stablecoins will depend, in part, on navigating this evolving regulatory landscape.
Section 8, A World Transformed Pi and the Future of Finance. The convergence of PiNetwork, stablecoins, and platforms like Stellar has the potential to reshape the financial landscape as we know it. Imagine a world where access to financial services is no longer a privilege, but a right, where cross-border payments are instant and frictionless, and where individuals have greater control over their financial assets. Section 9, Conclusion, A New Dawn for Digital Assets. The future of PiNetwork and stablecoins remains unwritten, but one thing is certain: they represent a powerful vision for a more inclusive and accessible financial future. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's important to understand the potential these digital assets hold. PiNetwork, with its unique approach to mining and user engagement, aims to democratize access to cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require significant computational power, Pi allows users to mine coins through their mobile devices, making it accessible to a broader audience. This could potentially revolutionize the way we think about and interact with digital currencies. As these technologies continue to evolve and mature, they have the potential to empower individuals, transform industries, and redefine our relationship with money. Stablecoins, on the other hand, offer a solution to the volatility that plagues many cryptocurrencies. By being pegged to stable assets like fiat currencies, they provide a more reliable medium of exchange and store of value. This stability can encourage wider adoption and integration into everyday financial transactions, bridging the gap between traditional finance and the digital economy. Only time will tell if Pi will reach the dizzying heights predicted by some, but its journey will undoubtedly be one to watch. The success of PiNetwork and stablecoins will depend on various factors, including regulatory developments, technological advancements, and user adoption. As we navigate this evolving landscape, one thing is clear. The dawn of digital assets is upon us, and it holds the promise of a more inclusive and innovative financial future. Whether PiNetwork will become a household name or remain a niche project, its impact on the digital currency space is already being felt. The journey ahead is filled with possibilities, and we are just at the beginning of this exciting transformation.